If the microphone icon has disappeared from your Samsung keyboard, don't worry. This is a common issue that usually happens after a software update, changing keyboard settings, or accidentally disabling voice input. In this guide, I'll show you a quick and easy method to bring back the voice typing microphone on your Samsung phone. First, unlock your Samsung device and open the Settings app. Scroll down until you find General Management, then tap on it. Inside this menu, select Samsung Keyboard Settings to access all the keyboard customization options. Next, scroll down until you see Voice Input. Tap on it to open the available voice typing options. If Samsung Voice Input is currently selected, switch it to Google Voice Typing or the available alternative on your device. On some Samsung phones, switching the voice input option refreshes the keyboard settings and restores the missing microphone icon. After making the change, close the Settings app and open any messaging application such as Messages, WhatsApp, or Messenger. Tap on the text field to bring up the Samsung keyboard. You should now see the microphone icon displayed on the keyboard. Tap it once and speak normally to start converting your voice into text. If this guide helped you restore the Samsung keyboard microphone, please like, share, and subscribe for more quick Samsung tips and easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.